does he sing?
Like a baby's bottom.
Nonsense.
So, dice or no dice?
Nonsense.
It's always dice. Who do you think you're talking to?
Nonsense. Those pigeons look hungry and they're looking at me funny. I'm not taking the risk. Nonsense. Nonsense. Hey, this popcorn is a deadly weapon now. Eat, little ones, eat. There's enough for all of you. I can't just take that. The air conditioning. I don't talk to things, except Mortimer. Come on, I can get like 4 different diseases just by staring at them, so no. Just a funnel. It's the hose I found on the roof. That's just stupid. No. That's just stupid. No. No. That's just stupid. No. No. Just a funnel. No. There's no need to join them together again. It's the hose I found on the roof. The air conditioning. That's just stupid. I don't talk to things, except Mortimer. I can't just take that. I'm not gonna do that. Nobody'd want it. No. That's just stupid. That's just stupid. No. Nah. Nah. No. I'm not gonna do that.
So, dice or no dice?
It's always dice. Who do you think you're talking to?
No.
Are you sure that will solve the problem?
I guarantee you will be 100% satisfied with the results.
I hope it's as soft as you say.
Like a...
I don't think I'm gonna reach a satisfactory level of destruction like this. I think I need some more power.
So, dice or no dice?
It's always dice. Who do you think you're talking to?
That's just stupid. That's
Sure that will
just
solve the
stupid.
problem?
I guarantee
That's just
you will be
stupid.
100%
That's just stupid.
satisfied with the results.
That's just stupid.
I hope it's as soft as you say.
Like a bee's bottom.
If my physics is correct, that clock should be a potential weapon of destruction now.
So, dice or no dice?
It's always dice. Who do you think you're talking to?
My babies! What the hell happened?
I don't know, I was just walking my dog.
I have to do something before they get all warm.
Why? What happens if they get warm?
Have you ever heard about a little thing called supervolcano?
Well, I know about Vesuvius Matt. Is it anything like that?
Get out of my way. I gotta pick them up before the whole freaking block blows up.
Okay, let's see who bought that stupid ring and wait a second. Charlie? Charlie bought my ring? Damn it! If there's one person who could screw up my day like this, it's him. Ah, shit. I'm not taking it with me. Man, there's so much stuff I wouldn't know what to choose. I already got what I wanted. Damn Charlie. Nah, I wouldn't know what to say. I don't think it's wise to... wouldn't know what to say.
Welcome to my sanctuary, Sir Randal Hicks, where deboned meat and jars of mead flow like a spring of lust. Would you like to be frisked now or when you leave the store?
Cut the medieval crap, Charlie.
Charlie, over and out. So, what's up? You know that topless zombie special won't be out till Friday, my perverted friend.
No, that's not the reason I came here. I'm looking for a ring.
Any ring in particular? Tell me the name of the show, movie, or comic book. Guaranteed I'll have it.
Nah, I'm not talking about that kind of a ring. I'm talking about a ring bathed in a mysterious aura of spirituality that seduces you into stealing or suicide. You know what I mean, don't you?
Doesn't ring a bell, no.
Really? What about the one on your necklace?
This? Oh, this is just a cheap family heirloom. Nothing important.
Oh, Charlie, you suck at lying. I know how you bought it this morning at Mel's shop. I saw your name on the register. Come on, how much?
Let's get this straight now, shall we? The ring you're talking about is mine now. I got it fair and square, and I'm sure you already know it's worth a fortune. A fortune only comparable with the mystical power that flows from it. So for all those reasons, the ring is not for sale.
Oh, come on, Charlie. I'm sure we could come to some kind of an arrangement. I have money. I have a lot of money.
Well, if you want it so badly, come to Sci-Fi Con on Wednesday, Dr. Fred Edison Street, and get your pockets ready because it won't be cheap.
Wednesday's not really good for me. What can I do to change your mind?
Nothing.
Well, at least I tried. Anything new in the dungeon?
Oh, you are never going to believe what happened the other day. You're going to freak out, buddy.
Well, I'm not your buddy, but whatever. Tell me.
Well, I was just here minding my own business when a guy came in. He was a decrepit old guy with glasses. But when I looked closer, I saw that he looked just like Stan Lee.
Stan Lee was here?
No, it turns out he was just some random old guy who was looking for the closest subway station.
Huh. Did you get him to sign anything?
Of course.
Wow. Working here must be like Christmas, huh?
I can't complain. At least Sci-Fi Con is this Wednesday. Are you coming? I'll have my own stand.
No, thanks. I hate those places. Those never-ending lines. Why go there when you can get all the same info on the internet? Besides, that place stinks of nerds and stale Cheetos. So, what can you tell me about that nerd convention?
Hey, it's a sci-fi convention, okay? There'll be lots of hot girls wearing sexy costumes.
Well, that depends on what your idea of sexy is. If there's any girls in there, which I'm not sure there will be, I don't think any of them are going to live up to your expectations.
What's your point?
My point is, if there's a girl dressed as Felicia, she'll probably turn out to look more like Doryman, don't you think?
That is a horrible thing to say.
Truth hurts, my friend. The truth hurts.